Today's video, I'm going to show you 10 of the best products that I bought this year. This thing kind of looks like a landmine. Only weighs just over a pound. It's got a handle. Just put your fingers in these holes, give it a pull, and this is a portable stool. They'll support a grown adult, your weight, body weight, without any problems. Give them a pull, and they go right back down to their compact size. They don't take up much space at all. These are great for camping, bring them to sporting events, and you can use two of them. Benches, sometimes when I'm outside, or if you want to prop something up on them, they work out great for that. And they're actually surprisingly cheap. I'll link a couple of different ones. I think these are like 25 bucks a piece, and they'll probably be one of your favorite things. Next up is this flexible light. Not only does it fold and allow you to position where you want the light, you can split the light like this. You can stand it up. You can stand it up like this, or you can completely position the light and point at a certain item. But to make it even more useful, there's two magnets on the side, so you can prop this up on any place you want that's metal. I use this all the time for doing auto work. I'll prop it up in the hood of a car and then angle it where you want, one or the other. And then it's also got a dim mode, and then you've got a warning mode. This part is this rechargeable, no batteries to buy. This can also be a power bank, so you can actually plug your phone into this thing and take it with you and charge something up. This 7-inch saw by Corona has got to be one of my all-time favorites. It's super well made. The blade's stainless steel, the teeth are excellent, it's really fast cutting. I also like the fact that it won't close because it's got this positive lock that you have to push down. You can close the saw back up. It's got a rubberized grip here and on the bottom, so everywhere your hand touches, you've got a good hold on it. If you're doing any sort of clearing or pruning, you cannot go wrong with this saw. Next up, we've got two different electrical testers. This one's made by Fluke. This one is Kai Wheats. Both of these are awesome. You plug them into an outlet, they immediately tell you what's going on, if the polarity is right, if you've got an issue with your ground. And this Kai Wheats one, even though it's really cheap, also has a basic voltmeter, so it's going to tell you what the voltage of your outlet is as well. This is not only the best reviewed wire stripper on Amazon, it is the best stripper, I would say. They actually improved it this year, so now it features a wire cutter in it. This is my original Klein one that has seen quite a bit of use. This was the first design, and if you notice, there's no cutter in the front of it. And I like this one even better just because if you need to trim wire, now you can. And with this jaw, you're able to strip wire from 8 gauge to 22 gauge wire, and that's pretty much gonna be everything you're gonna have for your normal household needs. This is another light, but this one is really cool. Now this is sold by a few different companies. I'll link two versions of this on Amazon. You can hang the light up, it's rechargeable, and this thing is bright. It's got multiple modes, and then it's got a night mode, but that isn't the part that makes this light so cool, it's this. Once you pull that out, this diffuses the light and everything around it gets lit up. And when you switch to those different modes, you can really see what it does. But when you're done, you just push it in, it collapses back into itself, and now you've got a flat light. Now I like this one for camping, but the other cool feature is you've also got USB not only to charge it, but you can also use this as a power bank. You know, you could hang it anywhere, and this thing puts out a ton of light. Next up, we got the Persiva wire Ferrule Kit. Now I showed this in a video that got a lot of views, and I love this thing. If you're dealing with stranded wire at all, you can use this tool in this kit to make perfect crimps. When you use ferrules, you're going to get a better connection, and you're going to eliminate any issues about stranded wires and those wires shorting out. But they also include this. This is 1,200 connectors in this kit. So if you're doing any type of electrical wiring that involves stranded wire, using ferrules is definitely the way to go, and there's no way you could go wrong with this kit. These are the best tool that you didn't even know that you needed. If you're traveling anywhere with batteries, you're going to know exactly where your batteries are and how many batteries you have. They don't fall out, but if you need to get at them, all you've got to do is just give a press on the bottom and the batteries instantly pop out. It's a great design. They're super well made. Once you buy a couple of them, you'll never want to have batteries loose again. The other thing I like is with 9 volts. A lot of times people can get nervous that 9 volts, these ends are going to short out. With this, you can put them in with the contacts facing down. Now all those contacts are completely covered. You're not going to have any of your batteries short out. Final one is this pocket level. This one's made by Klein, and it's a digital pocket level. Anywhere you put it, it's going to tell you if you're level or not. You can read this outdoors in bright sunlight. And this one's designed to last. It's not even rechargeable. There's a removable cover on the back. It takes 3 AAA batteries, and those weren't included when I bought it. I've just found the quality of this to be great. The online reviews are excellent, so I already know that this thing has lasted and worked well for a lot of people. I think anytime you have a tool like this, it's really going to encourage you to check that something is level and make sure the work you're doing is accurate. And those are my recommendations for some last-minute gift ideas, and if you decide to order any of them, I think you'll be really happy with your purchase. And if you want me to do a review on any of these in detail, please let me know in the comments, or if you've got an item that you'd like me to check out in the future. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already for more videos coming up.